Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning. So, what we're looking at, chat? Um, Market has plummeted at this Sunday opening, which is Globx opening, right? So, what happened is basically like gold was down 5%, silver down like 10% or more. Now, market created a new week opening gap, which is how many points is this? So, it's looking juicy right now. 100 points gap we have Asia high above us. We created a bearish order block with the bearish fair value gaps. My first target could be like 830 opening price, but we need more confirmations, obviously. So I will be checking the both pairs. ATR is now 9. I believe we can first go down, then we can fill the gap from the new week. This is the plan. We have 4 minutes still market open. I hope you guys are feeling well and good. If so, drop the likes because we will be trading Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday live on YouTube. And through the whole week, we have bunch of news coming out. So buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. It will be a crazy week. So pumped to trade, so hyped to trade. So we'll see what we gonna do this week. All right. So let's mark out the levels over here so we don't forget. The first target I see is the 830, then the midnight opening price, then we have the London low on the downside. On the upside, what we have is the absolute Asia high, and we have middle of the new week opening gap. So 2 targets on the upside and 3 targets on the downside. Let's see what's gonna happen. I see more like short right now, but you never know what the 930 candle will do. That's the problem, right? So you need to be very careful about it. And we'll see what's gonna happen now. We have 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, guys, I just released a new video finally on the toolkit. If you've been wondering what's going on with the toolkit, you can watch it on YouTube. All right. Market starts to move. Laser focused on the chart right now. We want to make some money today, baby. Okay. Okay, we lock and loaded. We're waiting for the market open. We have 1.5 minutes. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat. Russell, good morning, my friend. Hope you guys are feeling well and good. Man, today gonna be crazy, seems like. I like these pumps. ATR is 9.25. Okay, struggling to go up. We created the bearish order block. So what catch my eye is that at the moment, so this is kind of set up. It's a very high risk, low risk and high reward setup. It's an 8-hour trade. Let's see if we get it, right? Let's see if we get it. Come on. 50 seconds. So if we can take out this high, I think the new week opening gap, this part is quite easy. Let's see. So waiting for the market open. If this setup is not valid through the 930, this is a good setup, my friends. So waiting for Market open now. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this push, baby. Look at this push, baby. I'm in a long position right now. Okay, pushing, pushing. I'm up $1,000. Let's go, baby. Oh my god, this is just keep going. Asia high. Waiting for the first candle closure. Okay. Looking for execute on this account also. Asia high didn't take out yet. Watching the market. I want to see we close above, we trade above the new week opening gap. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool, baby. Okay. Come on. Asia high is very close. Can we do it? Yes! Absolutely yes. More continue. Push-ups. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Oh. I don't know why my trades didn't show up here. So strange. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. This is how we do it, though. Let me just quickly adjust this. I don't know. It seems like it locked out to me. Okay. This is the trades. We up $1,000, $1,100. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is gut candle. At the market open, imagine the whole gap will filled. 96 points. Crazy day, I must say. A plus buy. We still have a target on upside, which is the 130 price. Can we keep this momentum going? Okay. We created the bullish fair value gap. If we can get some kind of retest, at least like through the 85s, will be awesome. Guys, we're making money live on a random Monday again. And remember, we have news at 10 a.m. so we must be careful after this macro. Okay. Continuation, looking for continuation. ATR is 20 right now. Patience is the key. You need to get a good execution if you want to make money, okay? So what I wait for is something like I'm okay to take a long from here and target like the 130 unfinished business. Also, the ES still didn't took the Asia high. So it makes me wonder if we go there or not now. I think we're going there. Do we have SMT? No. Market looks beautiful today, guys. Market looks beautiful. Crazy day. Okay, ES made a high. We have SMT right now. If you want to play the continuation, you might take a long with your challenge accounts and ride it through the until the ES take the Asia high, right? This is the always the plan, the same plan. We just keep repeating everything that we do. Okay? So much money we're making. My goodness. New high on the NQ also. This is cool, bro. I played a continuation. Still riding it. Oh my goodness, man. Borsa, you need to stop making that much money, bro. 700s. You might consider taking some off here. Okay, close my longs. $500 on this account also. My goodness. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. This is it, baby. Fresh accounts. Oh boy. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. I guess it's another Monday, baby. Okay, let's see if it still continues to push up. Now, remember, we now touched the 700s, which is a psychological level, but we also have the Friday high. But this macro is expanded a lot, so expecting a more high will be like a greedy, right? So if you're happy with the profits, just close it because we up 175 points from the 930 opening price. What is this? What is this? We have news at 10 a.m. Be careful, people. Still pushing higher. I think ES can go through the 7,000. That's what we're waiting now. Okay. I don't want to be greedy. So $1,600 in total profits. Guys, if you have any questions, don't be shy, okay? You're not using Lux anymore. Time to time. Good morning, Nick. Hal Speed, good morning. Joshua, my friend, good morning. Guys, if you're enjoying this live session and if you learned something new today, just smash the like button. That's all I want, okay? It's a free live session. And if you want to get the zero lag access, it's available on the wall. Oh my lord. So much money. So much money. So now the plan is wait, right? We play the long, we play the continuation. Why we play the continuation, Borsa? Because remember, we are using ES to trade NQ, right? So in that scenario, when we close all the position, ES didn't took the Asia high yet. So we have longed again until the ES finished the job, which is the Asia high. Man, trading is simple. You just need to wait and you just need to get the best fills, okay? That's the plan. Don't overcomplicate the things. My longest trade time today is 7 minutes. I was short at the opening on this account. It's basically like stopped out, then I longed after we created a new high. I didn't think about it in a second because, if it created a new high at that specific point, at the point that where we inside of the new week opening gap, there is an 80% chance that we will fill that gap. Whether it comes with the one candle or like three candle, but there is one thing that we know. We're gonna fill that gap, my friend. And imagine that inside of the new week opening gap, you have also a what? A Asia high. So it double the chances that the price will just go up. Okay, now we wait, and we have news at 10. Let's type it here, 10 a.m. news. Okay, so we don't forget it. Basically, that's the aim, though. Okay, let's talk, guys. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk about money. Oh my god. So 950 macro, as you guys now all know, does two things, right? So the first thing is the continuation, the second thing might be the reversal. But in this specific scenario, since the market is traded a way higher than we expected, which is like a 200 points, because there are some days that the market just moved 200 points. You got my point? But at the market open, the whole market moved at 200 points. In that scenario, if you wait for more 100 points up, not the best plan, I might say. Okay, so you need to be settled down right now because we made so much money, bro. All right, all right. Can we get some likes on these beautiful longs? Oh man. Guys, there is a 90% off on Apex. Forgot to mention about that. It's not 80%. Forgot to change the things. But it's a 90%. And I believe it's like last day or something. Okay. Now we wait. Now we wait. I don't know if you guys watched the new video, but it's a gem. Okay, okay. New high, no SMT, nothing. Today's market, very easy. Today is just like begging you to take the money from the market. That's it. If you lose money today, you need to just go over everything. Because all you need to do is just like wait for the retest, then push the buy button. Why? Because there's a target. I always say don't overcomplicate the things. If you overcomplicate the things, it's gonna be a problem for you and for your account. Okay, now I want to see a solid moves, man. I want to see a retest. I can't short long from here. It's not like here, okay? Because these targets are not the high props like the new week opening gap or the Asia high. So we need more like a certain targets. This is the plan right now. Beautiful people. Consistency over everything, they say. Taking some payouts, already took some payouts. Pulling the money from the accounts. Paying the taxes. Living the happy life. Sharing a lot of free gems with the community. Okay. 950 macro in 6 minutes. Okay. We have 6 minutes. The last live session we did is like the trader weight was down whole day, the whole session. I mean, like the live session, we couldn't trade it. I believe it's a Wednesday last week. Okay, market going for the yesterday lunch high and PM high. Quite interesting right now. Again, without a retest, I'm not quite sure. This is the only retest we get. It comes with the bullish volume imbalance though. From that retest to this point, it's up 30 points. Not bad though. Not bad. You know, we are humans and we just want to make more money because why not, right? Why not? The first trade you win and it was so easy. Now you want more easy money. That's the human psychology, but you need to stop, man. Now on this account, let's say I make like 1,200 bucks. Why should I worry to take another one? I mean, like in the same macro. If I see something obvious, I will definitely took it. So 10 a.m. news, we might see a beautiful move. Like maybe the plan might be something like this. We took these highs, create an imbalance, and maybe a new high. Okay, then we invert this, so we might start thinking a short to target perhaps not all the way down to 930, but the midway of the new week opening gap. This might be a good plan, so we'll see. We'll see. The other thing can happen is obviously like we trade till this previous day AM high, which is the Friday high. Now we're rolling. Okay. It's a beautiful day at the markets. Man, New York is cold. It's a minus 16 degrees. Minus 16. Can you believe that? It's freezing. You just don't want to go outside. Or you just need to wear like two coats over and over. Uh, you're right. Okay. So this is not offering me something, okay? And it's outside of my trading time. So basically the macro times is very helpful if you just wanna don't overtrade. Okay, so these are the times that we don't trade. Between those times, it is no trade zone. Whatever it happens. Sometimes obviously you get beautiful moves, but it's just like 10% of the time, okay? Dun 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 dun. Let's see. All the imbalances are very big. So we didn't get any small bullish FVG. Strange. And we don't have SMT right now. Yeah, we don't have it. Market back on green, baby. It was down 0.5. Now they literally push the market to highs. So my plan for this week is very simple. Man, when we gonna do the all-time highs? I don't get it. We were so close last week again. And they just throw it all the way back down like 1,000 points. Just give people the all-time highs. They want it. And the Bitcoin is down to $70,000. My goodness. I can't imagine those the folks like the 500x leverage positions. Gone. Poof. To dust. New session high. Yeah, Apex has 2 days. Last 2 days for this 90% off madness, which is crazy though. Use the code BORSA321 so you support the channel also because as you guys know we got commissions, but it's very funny. It's like 3% or 5% or something. I forgot. But my point is if you're just willing to buy, it might be the best time to get your accounts 90% off, baby. There are a lot of people says that before you go into live market, you need to demo test, you need to paper trade. I don't believe that. The only time when I think it makes sense is like you are new to platform, you don't know how to buy and sell, you don't know how to set the stop loss. That time you can okay go and use the paper trading. But other than that, if you are ready, if you know what's your strategy, if you know how to execute, blah blah blah, just go with the challenge account because the psychology between the paper trading and the challenge or funded, whatever it is completely different, man. It's not just the same, okay? I see cheap trade, but it's not worth it. Okay, 950 started and the price pushed it. And there are still people talking that the macros are not real, bro. Then explain this to me. Why the market pump? Why we get the volume injection at the first minute of this macro, okay? It's just confirmations there. Some people tell it macro, some people tell, I don't know, best time to trade, whatever it is. Looking for a next move. Looking for a next move. We basically took all the targets. I prefer take a reversal, to be honest. Let's test this. We have very tiny bullish FEG here, and we have news at 10 a.m. So we need to be very careful about on this. It's a red folder, and the whole week we have news. It's good to have news, but I don't personally like the 10 a.m. news because it's less like the middle of the session, and it makes things hard. So let's check the targets. I believe we have the 955. 955. I think my trading strategy is quite simple. Finding the targets, and when you know how to do it. So this setup is, if you guys watch the course called Get Your First or Next Pal, it's basically the same idea why I took the long. You guys know it already, so I think everyone just watched the whole course, made at least $1,000. You have to make it because it's a 200 points, okay? Guys, can we get some likes, please, there? Okay, this is the retest. I like it. So let's say if I have a high prop target there, it will be very nice. This is also a high prop target, but only thing that makes me think about this is we have news at 10 and market already up 200 points. So from this point to that point, it's a 200 points, man. Is it too much? Absolutely not. Nasdaq can do it in one candle, so I don't know. I just want to start the week with green and continue my winning streak. I don't want to just take like impulsive trades. I think the best setups appears on 9:30. Yeah, I think it's a continuation macro, man. Market is so hyped. We're up 0.5%. So from the open, we up like 1%. So ES is very close to target, which is the Friday high. You can use this fair value gap, so something like this might be a good idea though. So take profit is not available. The take profit is when ES took the previous day AM high, basically. Make sense? That's a very critical fair value gap. I think market now waits for the news release because look at the candles. It's basically like on a chop mode now. Choppy chop. Uh, if you are tempted to go long, what you can do basically like can go with the small sizes so that you not hurt your account. That might be a good idea though. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, news report incoming in 3 minutes. No, 4 minutes, sorry. I hope there's no lag in the stream and my voice is cool because I'm streaming outside of the studio. We have a 5 minute bullish FVG here, which I like it though. What do you guys think? I think we go up. I think we go up with the news release, but you never know, right? It can do some stop on, it can do whatever it wants, so it's the market, you know? It's the crazy madness. 3 minutes. One problem here is ES inverted this bullish FVG, but we still have the bullish order block and the 5 minute bullish FVG. This is a cheap trade idea, but again, we have news though. So stop at 33, which is like, okay. 2 minutes. Oh my god, half speed. Proud of you, man. 2,700 bucks on a random Monday. Congrats. Cool, cool, cool. Guys, this is the setup I see. So, like I said, if you're comfortable with it, you can just go with that. Or you can just wait after the news release. It's also another thing that you can do. Okay, retest of this 5 minute bullish FVG, which is nice. Let's see how it retests. A plus sell. Wild times. 1 minute till the news release. ATR is 25, which is very nice. We like the high ATR days. $50. Okay, yes, holding the 5 minute bullish FVG here. 30 seconds. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Gonna be a fun ride. But you know, sometimes it doesn't move the market, so it's strange. We either get the beautiful reversal setup or we get this cheap trade kind of thing. But like I said, if you already make the money, well, who cares what's gonna happen though? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, baby. Come on, what you got? I think market is basically looking for some kind of direction right now. Didn't move that much. Okay, 20 seconds. We will get all the answers. 10 a.m. Okay, what do you guys think? Okay, chops now. Seems like it will fall down because they trying to push the price, but can't help with it. We also have A plus sell on ES. Strange. Kinda like the shorts here. Looks like a cheap trade. This is like a forming idea, okay? Just thinking about it. Let's see. 1 minute effigy here. Yes, pushing. Let's see if we get the new high. 10 past 2. Nice reversal. This might be also stop hunt for the longs. What is it gonna be, man? Very close to session high right now. Pumping. About to make a session high. 10 seconds. Both pair didn't make session high yet, so interesting. Can it get back from here and do a reversal? Perhaps it might do anything they can do. You know, they like to do those kind of things. I guess it's all about like the momentum. 800 is creating a trouble. I like the ATR today. It's tradable. So 5 minutes. Yes, pushing. So now the thing is like, are we pushing or not? I know you guys are wondering that, and that's quite normal because I also want to know. I also want to get the answers. Come on. Both pairs made a session highs. Beautiful. I think you can do better than this, NQ. Come on. 10 past 6. Are they gonna take this to all the way to the Friday high? They can. They can definitely do that. Okay, we got A plus buy. You got A plus buy in the house. I'm holding a long right now from the 785. Okay. Beautiful day. Let me just show you the position that we're running. So this is what's going on now. I don't know how far this will go, but it's just can't stop making money here. I don't want to see any inversion right now. Yes, filling some new. They're opening gaps right now. Ten past 10. Man, this is crazy. So this macro was the continuation one, right? So we did little retest, then we pushed higher. Okay. Chilling and watching the markets. We're up 160 points, ladies and gentlemen. We're taking partials on the way. We pay ourselves. Why? Because we love to pay ourselves. Okay, this FVG is holding. So my plan is to keep writing this until we see some kind of inversion. 190 ticks. I think the recent record was 700 ticks. I believe it's 2 weeks ago. All live. All live, baby. 48. This is the only problem I see right now is taking one off here because we're having a trouble inside of this gap somehow. We need some momentum, right? The push. The push, baby. Give us the push. A plus signal is just doing its thing, like always. Okay, I don't like this. I don't like it. I want to see inversion, man. I want to give you the money, the hard-earned money that we make from you again. Nice. This is the nice rejection candle if it closes like this. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Sometimes you just wait. Wait until your idea is proven. Okay, this is a nice rejection candle. It was a deep retest. It just goes below the fair value gap. You rarely get this. When you get it, it's not a bad idea to expect like to push higher, like a sudden pushes, like a speed in the market. Because look at this. Now that's what I'm talking about. Who is calling the market live again? Oh my god, man! I should stop doing this. Look, this is a typical like a easy money scenario. I will just take it. You know, this thing. Crazy. Guys. Guys, 240 ticks, baby. Oh my god. Borsa, you have to stop doing this, man. Oh my lord. It's a very nice lecture. This candle is tells a lot of things. It's not just the one candle, okay? It's more than a candle. It's the candle that gives you the confirmation for at least like one speed like this. Okay, continue. Come on, baby. You can do that better than this. I hope you guys understand what's the best, what's the thing with this candle. Okay, 58, 58, 58, four more points, come on. Oh, yes, one contract left. Oh my god. Can't see anything there. 900s. Let's do 900s. Shall we do it? I think yes. So, somewhere here. Call the banks, guys, call the banks. Now this is an idea. This is the trade. We're rolling it. 300 ticks. The world's best ICT toolkit is on its mission, baby. Buying at the top? Yes, please. Selling at the low? Yes, please. Yeah, I'll speed. It's just a beautiful day, my friend. It's just a beautiful day. Flawless. So this is a very, very good candle. I will add a lecture inside of to get your first or next payout. I will add a lecture on this. Definitely do that. You guys need to understand this. It's a gem. This candle is gem. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Are we really doing this right now? Are we really doing this right now? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Boys and girls, 360 ticks live. Come on, baby. We're just having a fun here. Can we get a 900s? Hello, thank you. Volume imbalance here. A bullish one. I don't want to see any inversion, okay? If I see inversion, I will just close down and I don't mind it. We're outside of the macro now. It's 10:15 and there's high chance that the next macro will be a reversal one. I will not give up from my profit, thank you. Can't take it from me, man. Okay, we're targeting 900s here, beautiful people. We just keep rolling this. Guys, if you just catch this, smash that like button for me, please. This trade is just deserves it. Is my face is like too white on the screen? What is this? Why I'm too white? I'm not like white like this. I'm a little brownish. Okay. Not looking good for the longs. Come on. Let's keep partying. I just want to see the 900s, and I promise you, I will close my position. 330 ticks, running PNL. Beautiful position, beautiful day. I'm up at I think like $3,000. I didn't count it, but it's nice. It is what it is though. Okay, one contract left. I sold many contracts here, so might better idea to hold it, but you never know. So I was up with like a 20 contracts. I double clicked as always. Okay, no inversion yet. Two scenarios. If we if we still keep going up at like the 1020, it will be crazy. It will be crazy. Shall we do something more crazy than this? Okay. I don't know, guys. Come on. Oh my lord, there's a 400 ticks now. I'm just, moving my TP, not my stop loss. This is what you should do also. To February, we're just making money. Okay, nice big inversion here. Nice fat inversion. Oh man. Oh man. My profit is going up and up. Can we get 99.5? I promise this is the last one. It'll just kick me out now. Guys, A plus signal. How many A plus we get today? I believe we get 2 A plus back to back. Buy one. Yeah. 2 A plus buys and you see what's happening. They're ruling the market. Cool. Very cool day. One problem just I noticed now is the ES tapped to 7,000, so we might see some trouble here. These are the psychological levels, right? So we talked about this a lot of times. So you just need to be kind of patient here. So this is the FVG, I'm gonna use it. So my stop loss, basically, the inversion of this bad boy here. Oh my god, it just keep going higher. 407 ticks or something. I even don't know what's happening right now. Oh my god. Stop it, Borsa. Come on, baby. Can we get a 900? Too many desserts. Oh yeah, man. Too many desserts. Going Cipriani tonight. Oh my god. Boys and girls. Guess what? We did it again. We did it again. We are not moving stop loss. We are moving our take profits. Why? Because we love money. We love Benjamin, baby. Oh my god. It's just a beautiful day. Come on. Beautiful day at the markets. Beautiful A plus. It is what it is, guys. Come on. You can't get a better day than this. Okay? Just keep adding and adding. Oh my god. I think we up more than $3,000. What's going on with us? Oh boy. Call the bank, boys. This is really nuts. My goodness. You guys see that how we trade live. And guess what? We do this every day. Okay? Not just one day. We'll do it tomorrow. We did it yesterday. Who cares? We're just making money here. Let me see the Discord fam. Torrent in the house. He's so consistent. I like it. Okay. Now what is it gonna be, NQ? Are you going for the previous day AM high? I can't take it anymore. Oh my lord. Now the new macro started, which is the 1020 macro, and it's famous from its reversal setups. Well, I don't know. Today is like crazy. Hard to say something now. Need to see some confirmations. Yes, now tap to 7,000. So we might see as 26,000 today on NQ. Guys, come on. Can we get all-time high? What is Bitcoin doing? Let's check. My God knows it's trading below 80 bucks. Madness. Gold is 4,700. Not fair, bro. Oh my God. What's going on with the gold and silver is I don't get it. 30% down on Friday. It's not Bitcoin, it's not Ethereum, it's a silver, man. It's a commodity. Come on. I think the final TP of the day is the AM high, Friday. Can it go higher? Absolutely yes. Okay. The world's best toolkit is on mission again to space, to moon. Don't hold us. We're going for it. Bum, 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 bum. Guys, if you have any questions to me, just throw it away. I love to ask your questions. I have some time today, so might be a good idea to chat. Okay? Anything. Just throw it away. No need to be shy. And while we've watched the market now in the new macro, I will be calling out the trades. Obviously, that's my thing. I love to do that thing. There is the one quote that I love. What doesn't kill you, what makes you stronger. That's so correct. You know, when you get one loss, today is a nice example. I don't know which account was that, this or the other one, but whatever it is. I was short here. Okay. Then I stopped out. The target was beautiful. I go long again. And I closed with like a 600 bucks profit. Then one more, added 400 something. Now we're still now in the $3,000. So when you get one loss, don't cry like a baby, okay? Just get up, check the chart again, and stop being like a little girl and act like a real man. Okay, don't let your hands shake and take the impulsive trades. You are now a grown man, okay? You are now too old to take these little games from the market because no one wins with the impulsive trades or like the revenge trades. It's not gonna happen. You just need to wait, okay? If you can't wait 10 minutes for your position, trading is not for you perhaps. You need to think about something else. Maybe do like DoorDash or something. I don't know. But you need to keep in mind that if you want to be in this business, you just have a patience to wait, okay? That's the thing. What is this? If you can't make money with Borsa, you should just quit. It's easy money. House speed. Thank you, man. I like it. Yeah, obviously, you know, it comes to like you need to have that patience. Okay? Market is here to give you the money that you want, but the question is, are you ready to get it? That's the thing. You know, blowing accounts is easier than you think. But making money is the easiest thing. If you have that patience and if you have that discipline, that's it. Stop crying like a baby and look at the charts like, oh, Borsa, I got the loss. It's 90% chance it should go down, but it didn't go down. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, guys. This is not a school anymore. It's a real life, okay? You make money, you took it. That's it. That's why I love to take a partial. Why should I just wait? Because sometimes, okay, today I took maybe a lot of partials for you. But believe me, I seen so many days that market just do this and close this candle with red. And what happened? I just give the profits that I make, and this is how I trade, okay? This is how I control my emotions. This helps me to stop maybe the over trading, maybe like the impulsive trades. So I like money, okay? I love making money. And to be honest, I love making money with my finger. I'm not using any mouse. I'm just using my trackpad. I have one extra monitor here. That's it. And my MacBook screen. That's it. That's all you need to make money. I don't need like millions of screen. Okay? Make things easy. Okay? Don't complicate the things. People love to do that thing. Okay? Use this, use that. And I don't get when people say, "Oh, this indicator is so complicated." Man, it's not. It's everything you need. Okay, when you look at the first, and if you don't know fair value gaps, it might be complicated, but it's not. If you don't know fair value gaps, don't buy my toolkit. I say this millions of times. Go watch my free ultimate bootcamp, then come and buy it if you like it. So that's the thing. This is the minimal things that you should have on your chart. I'm sorry if this looks complicated to you. You have to have these lines on your chart. Look at them. Half speed. I trade from my phone, a lot of this. That's it. If he's comfortable with that, if he's making money that way, don't touch him. Let him do this thing. Maybe if I give him like 50 monitors, he will get confused. He will look over everything. And what happened? Maybe he will lose money. Maybe he will lose his consistency. But with that way, he's making money. So that's the thing. If something is working, don't change it, guys, okay? I'm telling everyone. So if you are profitable with trend lines, that's fine. Who cares? If you're making money, the goal is to make money, okay? I don't care what you use. You just do what you're doing if you make money. Because that's the thing. Now today maybe you're making $100, okay, but you're making consistently. What does it mean? It means that you can scale, okay? If you just double your size, you're making $200 now. When you get comfortable with it, just triple your size. Now what you're making? $600, okay? This is how most of the traders making money. Quality over quantity. There are a lot of days that I just don't take any trade on my funnel accounts. Okay, I just wait for that move that catch my attention, and when I see that, I'm not holding back. I'm telling you this. I go like a 20 micros. I don't care because I see millions of times that it works. For example, now what we are witnessing. Tell me, we took a lot of liquidity levels. Okay? At that point, you need to consider two things. Why the hell is market just going up straight? Okay? Before you took a short. Now, this looks like a nice short. I agree. Okay? But remember, the market is here to and designed to blow your accounts. They're not here to give you the money. Okay? First, you need to understand this. After you understand, a lot of things will change. Like a snowball effect. Okay? So now, it's rejecting. Look. Where did we see this candle? Tell me, please. Here, right? Okay? So if this candle just traded above this and closed below, this is the time I just go like, I'm going with it. Okay, full port. However you want to call it. Now we get the A plus. Is it gonna work? Perhaps. Because it makes sense. If you lose money, you will not be sad. Why? Because it makes sense. It's not impulsive. Look at this now. You put the stop loss at the session high if you want to be on the safe side, and you can target like, I don't know, this bullish order block. I believe we have somewhere here. It's like 2.55, but personally I don't think that the market will just drop the whole way through this Well, you never know. It's 110 points from that point. So this specific scenario is what you want to do is like just pay yourself, take the partials, okay? Especially when you see there is a 5 minute bullish FVG, just take one off here. Just take one off here on this 5 minute. So the 5 minutes are powerful. What you want to do is just be on the safe side. If you go with 10, just start taking like 222. Okay. Now, after you get the first inversion, what you want to do, you just trail your stop to this bearish order block, or you can even just use this for inversion. Might happen. So you check. Do we have SMT? No, we don't, right? 1020, 1020. You don't have SMT. So, I don't know, guys. It's easy to make money when you just focus on the chart for real and just, follow the plans and execute with that and go with that, write your trades. So, this looks nice setup, like I said. So, you can make money. I believe I will see. We'll see how that will goes. The second thing, yeah, there's two things, like I said. The second thing is you need to ask this question: is this market is like on steroids or not? Because there are some days that they just don't drop the price. These today's might be one of those days. Why I'm saying this? Because we see a very aggressive opening. Okay, you need to use your brain to, in a good way. I'm not kidding. So you see, the market was down 0.4% here. Now, after like 3 minutes, we've been on green, right? We just got like the zero point 0.2 point plus. Now we up nearly 0.9%. So what does it sounds to you? They just want to keep pushing higher, right? They're buyers in the market, whatever you want to call them, the smart money, the institutions. I don't care. You just need to focus. Now I see a very cheap trade. I see a very cheap trade. Oh my god. I might try this with the 3 contracts now. So let's see if it stops out. I don't care actually. Stop loss are a little wide, so be careful, guys. So taking a short on these kind of markets might not be the best idea. So this is what I am saying. Okay, 46. 46 is looking good for partials. So you can just go like 1 point up or so. Let's see. This is the setup I'm seeing now. And, since the ATR is too much, you just need to drop your size, lower your size. What you can do is like, let's say you go with the 3 contracts, and while your idea getting confirmed, you can add one by one. Like how we do it dollar cost averaging, that's the same style. I believe a lot of people don't think about just how much a $500 over the course of the year, especially if you multiply by the copy. Yeah, that's the part that most people are missing out. They're just not okay to make $100, But $100 is not easy. If you just go to the street, who will give you the $100? No one will give you it. But on a screen, people think that it's a small money because why? On social media, including myself, we posting. I made a 5,000. He made 1,000,000. There's one guy now withdrawing a 5 million. Your psychology is I get it, but you need to focus on small amounts because these kind of things is adding up. That's the thing. That's the point. Okay. So this is the setup right now. We're watching it real close. Interesting. Now it's at 10:35 and it's not moving through. Maybe they will do the job at the 10:50 macro. Is it possible? Absolutely yes. Let me just draw the partial line so everyone understands. Okay. This is the partial. I think, yeah, this is a very dangerous candle. This is a partial. And this is a partial. And the full TP is equilibrium point of the bullish order block. Yeah, it sounds like a nice plan. It's worth to lose money, you know. Your position needs to be like the worth to lose money. Okay. Rolling and rolling. We're watching this short. I personally in this short also. 3 contracts only. Micros. 50K account. Okay. Yes is I don't know what it's doing. It made this inversion. If something can't go up, there's only one option left, right? Okay, so this is more or less 5 hour trade. But again, the ATR seems like it too much. No, it's 18. Ah, the stop is 25 points. That's completely normal. Okay. Takes a lot of times to drop. Nice rejection from this bullish FVG. Okay. This is like a now or never kind of thing. We are going inside of this bearish order block. Okay, inversion. It's time to say goodbye on this short, perhaps. We'll see now. Did ES made a session high? No. I don't know, man. Coming back to the order block now. 10:38. So maybe this is the only drop that we see. A little pullbacks and we going up and up. You see, the market is on steroids, baby. It just doesn't want to go down. They just want to keep it higher and higher every second possible. New session high on ES, incoming new session high on NQ also. Oh my god, it's a crazy day. It's very interesting. Okay, 30 seconds. So strange. I really wonder what's gonna happen. Okay. SMT right now. If this candle doesn't make a session high, might be very interesting, but I don't think so. Didn't make the session high. Oi, oi. Oh my god, I don't know. Um, Strange. It's empty right now. This is reversed from here, so it's probably epic. Oh my god, it's dropping. Yeah, I didn't make the session high. It doesn't mean that it's not gonna do it, so. Whoa, crazy. I like it. Ten 41. Okay. This is very similar to this move, if you guys noticed. Very similar. So it dropped like from the top 60 points. Not bad, to be honest. And push back, couldn't make a new high. So, very interesting. Wow, funny day. Like it. I really like it. This is a very rare moment actually. So close to the highs. It here is 16.7 now. Okay. Let's see if it goes to the partials. Wow. Was so close to the session high and didn't stop out. So strange. Beautiful. Okay. It's dropping. Mm-hmm. All right. What is it gonna be now? It's a backhand for PA. Still. Oh, we've been live streaming for an hour and a half. 950 macro, I guess will do the job, guys. What do you think? All right. Oh, very critical area, in my opinion. 10:45. So now I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's some important thing. I want to see we took out this low if we're gonna continue going down. If not, we're going up. So we will understand in like 10 points margin. So just a little patience and we'll see what is it gonna be. $62s. Okay. But you guys, I don't know if you noticed, but it's really having a tough times to going down right now. So I'm not saying not go down, but it's trouble here now. ES is doing its thing. So we have SMT also. I need to mark that out. Sorry, guys. SMT can add this up. Okay, come on. Oh, it's so slow. Come on. We need some moves, baby. 950 macro in 2 minutes. We're still trading live. Okay. I wish I see these lows getting taken out. Come on. Oh, now I have one idea, but little scary. Little scary. Um, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So are they gonna do a hide and drop the price on the same macro? Perhaps, man. Can do. Okay. Oh, we took that out? Finally, baby. Oh my god. Still running with the two contracts now. Took the partial. I think, you guys can trail the stop now. Oh my god. Loving the calling out this straight live. This is crazy. This is crazy and beautiful. Two contracts left on my side. So the next TP is the 26th, right? This is a very problematic area, I might say. Oh my lord! Crazy drop. Beautiful baby. Oh my god, I can't believe that we're just making money again. Oh my god. Woohoo! What is this? What is wrong with me? Let me show you what's gonna happen. Wait, let me switch the accounts. Not this account, but this account. Switch over it, blah blah blah. Now look at this. Might reverse, man. Might stop us out. I don't know, but too powerful. We have this tiny FVG. I want to use that. 950 macro started. As always, when the new macro started, it's a problem. We have A plus, we have SMT. We're expecting a move down. So 25, right? 25. We want to just take everything off. Uh, guys, you need to see. Okay, I will close this manually. If we see inversion, we out. Otherwise, we are not going out. This is the plan. Okay, that's why I canceled the stop loss because it can do a deep retest, like here. Oh, I'm getting excited again. We back on business or what? Oh, we never get out of the business, right? Sorry. I can teach you one thing, but it's quite interesting. So you can just go like full port with the small FAG and put stop with the inversion. It's called easy money. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You just need to do your own research. Okay, okay. What is it gonna be? I don't know, guys. You know, due to it's the third macro of the day, we can drop further. We're definitely on fire today. We're definitely on fire. So I forgot to mark this out A plus. Okay. Oh no, 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 don't delete it, please. Ah, Jesus, this takes too much unnecessary time. Okay. I want to see that we're getting rid of this bullish FVG on 5. Stop is this little guy here. The bearish FVG. Risk reward is quite nice. We already took a lot of profit. Testing. Forgot to check the ES. Let's see what's going on. So interesting. Can't complain. There's dog here and it's just keep barking and driving crazy. Oh my god, come on. Market is getting slowing down. It is 10:54. Okay. We still have SMT. Keep that in mind. What do we have now? We have SMT, right? We have A plus, and Q didn't make the session high, so we're still riding this trade. I closed. I shorted here. I closed here. I shorted again. I should have kept this, but no worries. Okay, 70 points. We're going hard on this game today. Oh my lord, we're testing again this 5 minute. There's no way back down now. Come on. Finish the job. Finish the job. This is the target we're having now. This is the target we want to see now. Okay. I think this trade started from the 1020 macro and couldn't make high, and 1050 is finishing the job, I guess. Mhm. Another one. Okay. Okay. Yes, he's not reacting to this madness. All right. Coming. Fill me up. Very close. 140 49, 62. Oh my god. Guys, this is it. You know what? It's just a show of business. And I like to do it. You see, we call this trade live. We execute it live. Also this one. So it is what it is. And I like to do this live session. You know why? Because it's a proof. It's a proof that who talks like, this fluff about us. And it's a nice proof for them. They just keep them shut up, okay? It is why we're doing that. Okay. Beautiful people of Borsa channel. Oh, it's a very long live session. Am I think this is gonna drop more? Yeah, I draw the targets here. We can just follow those up. Ladies and gentlemen, the price keeps tanking and tanking and tanking. This account is $1,120. It's 11 now. It was a beautiful day. I appreciate we do this live again. And tomorrow we have a live session. Same time, same place. And yeah, I think, that's all for today. What do you guys think? I think we're done, right? So we called the market live. It's like what's going on? It's like, we find the targets, we executed the trade, we made the money. Now it's time for what? Tell me. Enjoy the day. It's 11, baby. Let's go. Let's do something fun. Let's I don't know, spend some money, okay? Because we deserved it. Right, guys. Thank you for watching this live session. It's been a so much pleasure to do a live session with you. Tomorrow, same time, same place. Love you all. Take care and see you tomorrow. Bye for now, beautiful people.